How to download or install Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 in mobile. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started with this video. As of the latest updates, Poppy Playtime Chapter 4 has not been officially released. However, even when Chapter 4 becomes available for mobile devices like iOS and Android, you can download and install it by following the following steps. So, firstly, you have to check for official release. So, keep an eye on the official announcement from MLB Games, the developers of Poppy Playtime. They typically announce new chapter releases on their websites or social media platform. So, this indication suggests a launch in 2025. So, um, although the official release date is still unknown, so it is said that it will be launched in 2025. So you have to confirm the release date of chapter 4 for mobile to avoid downloading from unverified sources. So in order to download from the App Store or Google Play Store, you can easily unlock your Android or iPhone device and open Google Play Store or App Store. There, with the help of the search bar, you can easily type in Poppy Playtime in the search bar and look for chapter 4. Tap the Get button or the Install button next to the application and tap on Install to download and install it on your device. After installation, you can open the game directly from the Play Store or App Store in your app drawer. So, you have to be aware of third-party sites. Do not download the game from unofficial websites or App Store, as this could be fraudulent or contain malware. So once you have done that, you can easily download and you can enjoy Poppy Playtime Chapter as soon as it's officially released for mobile devices. So that's all for today. If you are new to our channel, then hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.